The Jeep JKU Plate System. The Jeep JKU Plate System is now available for 2007 through 2018 Jeep 4-door models.
So the Goose Gear Plate System is made of Baltic Birch. We use an industrial grade Baltic Birch. It's a multi-ply product, and then we have it coated with bullet liner. And the bullet liner is basically the same stuff they use for bed liners, so it's incredibly durable, easy to clean. Everything just wipes off of it. You can throw stuff in here and not worry about damaging or marring it too much.
This plate allows the user to easily install various Jeep-specific modules, including single and double drawer systems, as well as the ever-famous Icebox module and the CampKitchen 2.3 for Jeep. The plate system also makes a great platform for securing your own storage or gear, including dog crates, other fridge slide brands, and more. The Goose Gear Plate System includes everything you need to install the plate into your vehicle. 2007 through 2010 models require the installation of rivet nuts, which are included in the kit for that model year. For 2011 and 2018 model years, it's a direct bolt-in utilizing factory anchor points. 4 bolts and 4 washers are all you need to install the kit. The plate system features 2 options, one with a lockable storage compartment as seen here, and one which accounts for your factory subwoofer should you have it.
So the premise of almost all of our systems is the Goose Gear Plate System. And the plate system is designed for several different vehicles. And it has integrated anchors built into the plate in different spots. Those anchors allow you to take and install modules very quickly and easily, and you can also swap them from side to side in the vehicle. So if you want to put your CampKitchen on the driver's side and then later you want to move to the passenger side, you can do that without having to remove the plate, just by unbolting it, moving it, and bolting it back in. All of the Goose Gear plate systems and sleeping platforms, as well as our modules, feature a locking compression latch. The compression latches that we use are all metal construction for robust security. They do feature an adjustable pin, so you can adjust the tightness and the fit of each lock. Once the lock is closed, you can take a key and lock it and make that item secure. All right, now we have the cubbies put in the vehicle, so now it's time to put the rear plate in. So you're gonna take the rear plate, you're gonna take it in at an angle, you're gonna set it down. Once you get in a little bit, you get past the hinges here in the strike, and then push the plate down into place. Get the seat belts out of the way. And you're going to take the plate now and you're going to slide it backwards towards the back of the vehicle. Get it into about position and then just let it down. And now it's in place. Now we're going to bolt in through here, right here, right here, and right here into the factory anchor points on the newer vehicles, and you're done.
So Brian, I am so impressed with how this looks. It seems like we've done probably the hardest pieces, which are the cubbies, right?
Absolutely.
And then what's next? We gotta secure the base plate.
Yep, secure the base plate with the 4 bolts, and then we're ready to start putting the CampKitchen and drawer module in.
Awesome.
And now we have left is 4 bolts to install the plate. So now I'm just gonna take a flashlight and I'm gonna look down through the hole and make sure that the bolt is lined up with the nut in the back in the floor of the vehicle. And now we're on to the other side. I'm gonna check and make sure the bolts are lined up, get the bolts in place. I'm gonna shift the plate a little bit, and then we're going to bolt this plate in. So if you are going to use a power tool, make sure you get the bolts threaded a good portion into the nut before you do it. When you do use this, you want to make sure you don't go down tight. Do that by hand to make sure you don't rip out the T-nuts. After the power tool, use your hand tool and just get it in snug. And we're onto the 3rd bolt. And onto the 4th bolt, get it started. And use your power tool. And then hand tighten the rest. You want to get it snug, but not too tight, and then you're done.